Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the compressor run capacitor on your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because your refrigerator won't start, your fridge or freezer are too warm, or your refrigerator is making an unusual noise. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. So to begin this repair, we're going to turn our fridge around. And we're going to take off the panel on the bottom of the fridge. So we're going to take off the 4 screws holding on this panel. Alright, and now we've got those 4 screws off, we can take the panel off. And we can take the panel off and set that to the side. This will be our run capacitor right here. So to take that off, we just have to undo this metal clip with a pair of needle nose pliers. So now we got the run capacitor out, we just have to make sure we unhook it from the little plastic clip right here. It's attached right through there, so we just pull it straight out. Now, grab your new OEM replacement run capacitor. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So we're going to get this black clip and we're going to line it up with the black plastic piece here that holds it in, and then we'll plug it in. Just like that. We'll take our needle nose pliers, pull it back in, clip it on, line up all the holes, screw that back in. We can turn the fridge back around and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.